Hi, I'm Phil from Festool and this is the HL850. With the HL850, this has a maximum cutting depth of 3.4mm. But of course, anything green on the Festool machine means that we can adapt it. And if I move this lever forward here, and move it across, you can then see that with this flat side on the HL850, we can have an unlimited rebating capacity with this machine. And of course, combine this with excellent dust extraction, you can work in a really clean, easy and efficient way. But with all Festool machines, it also means that we can adapt it. And with the HL850, we can adapt it from working with planing timber down to working with these types of texturing blocks. So I can use these two blocks for a reeded effect or for an effect of an adze. I can then work with this type of block as well. So on here we have the spindle lock. On here we can lift the side up and so then we can access the side of the block. So I can bring this up, move it over to one side, and then on the side here you can push the green lever in, and now we can then lock the block into position. We can remove the Allen key from the back of the machine, and now we can swap the blocks over. So you can take the Allen key bolt from the side, move the block around to the side so the knife is facing away from your finger, and now we can take this away. On the inside, the two washers which we need. And so now the next stage is I can work with one of the texturing blocks, and we can work with this one here, which will give me this adze effect. Of course, because we use the machine in a different way, because the machine will be dropped onto the timber, we need to be aware of kickback. So we need to limit the amount of material that's coming off. And so this small plate here will go onto this front section, and this will limit the amount of material that I can take away. So now it's limiting how far this front plate will move up. And of course then it means I won't have so much kickback while I'm using the machine. So with the adze block that's on here, this has a slight radius on it, and this will now give me this type of effect while I use the machine. So now I can work my way across this board and this will give me an effect. So working with the HL850 to plane timber, but also to create textured effects means you can work in a really clean way, but also a really innovative way with this machine as well. And of course, once the texturing has been complete, you can then use one of the sanders from Festool, such as the RI90, to soften the surface, and then you can create some really nice, beautiful work. Working, of course, with Festool.